friends, let's go to my dream world. I'm Ari, and I'm here to say we go on adventures every day. Mosey and Josie and the crew, we're always looking for something new. Come along and have some fun, because the fun has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Ari's Dream World, 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 Ari's Dream World. Yeah! Hey guys, it's Ari, and welcome to my dream world. I'm so excited you're here. Ugh. Phew, that stinks. Do you guys smell that? I wonder where it's coming from. Let's go find out. Woo. Ooh.
Hey, Ari.
Oh, hey, Mosey.
I missed you.
Yeah, I miss you too.
Can Mosey have a hug?
I don't think that's such a good idea. Mosey, do you smell that? Oh.
No, Ari. Mosey doesn't smell anything.
Ooh, well, I smell something and it stinks.
So, what is it?
Well,
Is it a garbage can?
well,
Is it a piece of old fish
no,
on a plate?
well,
Is it
Mosey,
a spoiled banana?
Mosey, I'm sorry, it's you. You stink. I'm sorry, but you stink so bad.
What? Mosey stinks?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Well, I was playing outside.
Yeah, well, it's super important to wash yourself after you play outside.
What do you mean?
It's really important to practice good hygiene, which means to stay clean.
Wow. Could you teach Mosey how to practice good hygiene?
Oh, yeah, Mosey, it's hygiene. And yeah, sure. First things first, bath time. All right, let's get that soap on you. Okay, there. Turn this water on. Okay, there's good. All right. You can use a washcloth, but I'm just gonna use my hands.
Okay, Ari, so why is it important for Mosey to take a bath or a shower every day?
Well, it kills all the germs that make us really sick, and it makes us smell really good.
Okay, Mosey gets it. Mosey was playing outside, and the germs and dirt got on my fur.
Yes.
And the water and soap washes it away.
Yes, Mosey, you're getting clean.
Hey, Ari.
Yes?
Hey, Ari.
Yeah?
Hey, Ari.
Yeah.
Yeah, I made a bath song.
What is it, Mosey?
It goes like this. Ba-doop, boop, 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 rub-a-dub. In my tub, Mosey's clean in the tub. I say the rub-a-dub in the tub. Mosey's clean in the tub. La la la.
That was such a good song, Mosey.
Thank you, Ari, for helping me get clean.
You're welcome, Mosey. And now I'm gonna go teach our friends about more hygiene. All right, bye, Mosey. Have fun.
Bye, see you later. Mosey's clean. Yes, I am. I don't smell like a piece of ham.
This is my dream door, and it can take me anywhere I want to go. So, let's go brush our teeth. Why is it important to brush our teeth? Well, when we brush our teeth, it can destroy bad breath, old food, and plaque. Plaque is the bacteria that can get on your teeth. You need to make sure you brush at least twice a day, or you can get cavities. You need to brush when you wake up and before bed. So now that we've learned this, let's brush our teeth. This is my toothbrush and this is my toothpaste. When you brush your teeth, you need to make sure that you brush the front, the back, and your tongue. just a little bit. Great job, friends! Now our teeth are clean and our breath is fresh. Okay, friends, so now, oh wait, I think everything, ew, yuck. Now I have to wash my hands. It's super important to wash them with soap though. People touch their face, their eyes, their nose, their mouth, and don't even realize that germs can get in our bodies through that and make us sick. So now we have to wash our hands for 30 seconds. Let's go, friends. Woo! Great job, friends. Our hands are clean as can be. All right, friends, it's time to go home. Hey, Mosey, smelling good.
Thanks, Ari. I'm clean now thanks to you. I learned why staying clean is important.
Yes, I'm so glad. Sadly, friends, I have to go. But me and Mosey will definitely be back to have more fun and adventures with you guys. All right, bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Mosey's clean, our friends are clean, and I am clean. You are clean, and I am clean. We're both smelling good.